Really? Do I strike you as the type of guy who can be bought with money?
Yes, you do.
Well, you're absolutely right.
Do you really think I'll let you get away with this? Everyone in the entire kingdom of Midgar is your enemy! There's nowhere left for you to run!
Run away. Who's running? Running where?
Despite it all, I am grateful. After all, now I've obtained the key and Rose Oriana. With that, I can climb above Perv Atta and be the next knight of Round.
You have come to save my life again? Oh, Lord Shadow.